Hello! Today we're going to talk about some keyboard shortcuts in PowerPoint. Now, as you probably know, in almost any program, learning and using keyboard shortcuts can be one of the absolutely most effective ways to reduce the amount of time that any given task takes. There are some common shortcuts, often those used frequently in Word, that many people know about, but PowerPoint is often not something people are as familiar with. Using these shortcuts could greatly speed up your PowerPoint workflow and hopefully make your experiences with the presentation software go as smooth as possible. One great shortcut is really useful when you're giving a presentation. When your slideshow is running, you can hit B at any time and the screen will black out, just like this. So why is this helpful? Well, often when giving a presentation, the viewer's attention will be focused on the screen rather than the speaker. This little shortcut can black out the screen so you can capture your viewer's attention for a key speaking point before returning to the presentation. As an alternative, you can also hit W instead for a white screen. Next, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts for jumping between slides in a presentation. So if you're anything like me, you have definitely started a presentation at the wrong slide at some point in the past. The best way to remedy this problem is to use the keyboard shortcut 1 Enter, which will transport you back to the first slide. You can actually type any number before hitting Enter to jump to that slide. This is also helpful if someone has a question about a previous slide that you want to jump back to quickly. For instance, if someone has a question about slide 2 when I'm on slide 9, I just hit 2 Enter, answer the question, and then 9 Enter to pick up where we left off. Now let's look at something that comes up often when putting a presentation together. Bulleted and numbered lists are really common in PowerPoint presentations, and there's often a need to shuffle items in a list around as you think of new ones or reprioritize your existing order. Usually, this involves a lot of cutting and pasting, but there is a quicker way to do it. Instead, just hold Alt, Shift, and use the up or down keys to move the items through the list to your desired position. Finally, let's look at how to start a slideshow on the current slide instead of at the beginning. If I'm in the middle of my presentation and I want to start the slideshow from this slide, all I have to do is hold down the Shift key and press F5. Hopefully you found these helpful. If you have any questions, just let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.